Hello everyone, today's video is very simple and interesting one. We're going to be discussing the simple way of how do you buy or sell or how do you do any transaction on the web application of Aliceblue. The web application is called the ANT Web. So let us just jump into discussion, and we'll do that by logging into the system of ANT Web. I have my user ID and password, so I go to the secured login. And what is interesting, you just don't log in, then they have two-factor authentication post that, for which you have to put the answers which you have keyed in initially, and I'm going to do the same. And once I do that, I get logged into the main server. And this is how the platform of Aliceblue looks like. It's a very simple interface, easy to use and cutting edge technology. Now this is how the main page looks like. It shows my fund balance, number of transactions I have done, number of transactions completed, what is my holding, and what is the worth of my PNL right now. That is how much I have lost or how much I have gained over my PNL. It is a very easy application to use. Do give it a go. You're going to love the application. So this is how the application looks like. Now supposedly I want to buy the shares of State Bank of India. So all I do, I just key in the name State Bank of India and I get it on the watch list. The watch list is very simple to use, very easy. They have 5 watch lists here, and you can change the way it is looked in the small size, medium size, large size font, and also sort it based on alphabetical orders, last trade price, percentages, exchanges. It is very informative and very useful. Now supposedly I want to buy say 1 shares of State Bank of India. How do I do that? All I got to do is go onto the tab and click on the option of buy. Now a window or a ticket opens up. A ticket is very informative. You can choose between cash and carry, that is delivery based trade, or you want to trade just for the day. You can choose, say supposedly I want to hold this position over to next day. I choose CNC, that is cash and carry. Now I have an option of choosing a limit order or a market order, and I can, depending on my preferences, I can choose. Supposedly if I see that the current market price is little too high, I want to buy at a slightly lesser price, and I want to key in the price say at 425. So I just choose the price 425. I place a limit order, and boom, your order is placed. You can see the orders in the order book. It is right there. Now I have waited for some time and I see that the market is not moving towards the direction of my price, but I don't want to miss out on the trade. So I can just go on editing or modifying the order, and I can choose the current market price by choosing the market options, and I can directly hit the market. Damn, the order is filled, and you see the positions in your screen. Now if you go to a portfolio, you'll see the shares running. I already had 1 share of Idea. I have bought 1 share of SBI, and it is a part of my portfolio right now. So that is how simple and easy it is to buy or sell on the ANT web application of Aliceblue. It is a cutting edge technology, very beautifully designed. Just to add on to the features which they have, their charts are also very interactive. You go onto the script name and you select the chart. You have a chart IQ chart and you have a trading view chart. You have both the chart options, and you also have script info. Script info tells you each and every information which you need to know about the shares. What is the tick size? What is the symbol? When was it listed on the stock exchange? That is 1st March 1995. It is a very nicely done web application. I'm very impressed with it. And they also have the option chain. Now this is a very important part. If the stock is trading in the derivative section, it will have an option chain, and it has option chains for all the 3 expiries. That is 3 expiries running right now. That is 29th July, 26th August, and 30th September. You have information about them, and you can also see the last traded price for that. Say 410 strike price. Call option, the price is 22. Put option, the price is 5 rupees 50 paisa. You have each and every information which you need to know available just at the click of the button. This is a very nicely done application. And the good thing is the orders don't have a lag. The orders just go instantly. A lot of stockbrokers have their own application, but the orders have a lag. Their systems are not working. So it is such a beautifully done software. Please go and have a look at it. And you can also track your funds performance as to what has been your mark-to-market P&L on day-to-day basis without having any issues. And you can also download the scripts which you're holding. If you want to do post-mortem analysis or later analyze it, you just have to save the file, and the script is saved here. It is very easy to use, very informative. I would recommend you to go and try this web application of ANT, and for that you just need to open a Demat account, which is free to open. The link for that is mentioned in the description. So I hope this video gave you decent information as to how do you buy or sell on the web application of ANT. The similar buying and selling style works on their phone application, which is also the ANT application. So I thank you for your patient hearing. I'll again see you in future videos of financial education. Thank you so much.